She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. Daily struggle. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
Oh, good morning, Lighthouse. Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Charlie B and King Micah back there. You irritated this morning, King Micah? I guess so, guys. You'll see he's in the back seat. This is real life. This is what happens when your mommy irks you early in the morning. Either way, I'm too tired to deal with it, to be honest with you. Got in the bed after 1 o'clock last night. It was like 12:45, 1 o'clock. Let's put it like that. Was supposed to be up at 4:30. And what happened was a chick stayed asleep way past her freaking alarm clock until like 5. Rushed to go and try to handle something to find out I woke up for nothing. Now I'm about to drop Mist off and go get my little musky pools. Oh my gosh. Micah, do you think your sisters look like me?
Yes.
You do? Yes. Oh my gosh, that's such a compliment to me. You all, for the longest, I'm like, no. They look like their grandmother on their dad's side. Like, no. Then Snapchat got me feeling myself for real with my kids. And I'm like, oh snap, I just might be their mama. That had me feeling so good. That had me feeling good, Micah. Snapchat had me feeling like your sisters look like me for real. Hey babe, what's wrong? Micah? What's the matter?
I just want donuts.
Boy, you had donuts twice this week. Bye. And that's like a lot. Because there's been months when you haven't had any donuts. And I know you eat snacks at school. And I know people be giving you snacks.
Because I have money in my bank account.
He said he got money in his bank account, y'all. That's what they call it at school, Micah? Your bank account?
Yes.
That's what they tell you, and they tell you have money in there? Seriously? I guess that's how they roll, y'all. But anyways, y'all make your day great. If you're watching this, choose greatness. Choose positivity. Choose good vibes. And if something tries to knock you off that horse, find the good in it, to be honest with you. That's what I do. Like, y'all saw when I ran out of gas, I was like, well, thank God there was Harbor Freight across the street and a gas station right there. Like, I be true to this, for real. And then I got rear-ended and they ran off. So I was just like, thank you, Jesus, that we were good and we didn't get like whiplash or anything like that. So get your book bag, Bubba. Oh, Lord have mercy. He's a little bit. Oh. Bye, baby. I love you. Have a good day. Now your sister left a chicken nugget in the bag. Y'all, these kids. You have to pick and choose your battles. Seriously. I know I do. I do. When it comes to these babies, I need some water in my life. I'm gonna go right here. Give me some. I'll go to another corner store because I don't want to cut that person off. Anyways, let's see what's going on.
There's like whatever I can find.
Hey guys, we're going to salon. We're going to watch Mommy's car and so.
Ooh. Y'all so silly. What am I gonna do with y'all? What's your favorite color, baby?
My favorite color.
Your favorite color is pink? Ryan, what's your favorite color?
Your favorite color.
Oh.
That's what we are. That's my favorite color, Mommy. That's my favorite color. My favorite color.
Did y'all like that?
Yeah.
You did? Now we got a vacuum. Y'all, that was kind of cool. And because I got the Protect car wash, I get, if I come back within 10 days, I get a free car wash. A free car wash. Yes. Yes. And they gave us like fiber wipes. What? Okay. I don't know nothing about this. What's this? Oh, she said dash wipes. No, this is to clean the car. It's not like a fruit snack or anything. Yes, and then this is a fiber wipe to, I guess, to dry the rest of the car off with. So that's what Mommy's gonna do. Are y'all gonna be good babies?
Yeah.
And another dash wipe in here. Yes, I need those, especially for my babies. Okay. Y'all chill out. Oh, let me turn the radio on for y'all.
Corset thing you got going on there. Like,
Hey, there's nothing on the radio for y'all. Well, y'all can just talk, okay? How about that? Tell them what happened.
She took her jacket off, and I took my jacket off. He took her jacket off. He took her jacket off because I don't want to take my jacket off because it's warm. It's a bird. Yeah, I get it. I spent my arm.
OMG, girlfriend.
So stupid.
Why you lock the door? You get on my nerves. You irk my soul, Ryan. I love you, Ryan. I love you, Riley. Ooh, excuse me. Mommy all burping and stuff. I burped. Yes, I burped like.
What? I like the black hair.
Yeah, you left it. You chose the horse.
Good morning. Mommy.
Oh. Okay. That was pretty cool. What happened to her arm?
Mommy, I got my finger Micah. I didn't show Daddy. Mommy, somebody got Micah.
Bro, piece of hair was like literally in my eyelashes.
Mommy, why do you got Micah?
She has marker on her finger. It's okay. We'll wash it off. Tell her. Say it'll be okay, sissy. We'll wash it off.
Mommy, I got stuff too.
You got what?
My finger.
You got what, honey?
My finger.
What happened to your finger, baby?
I scratched on the marker.
What happened? Is she scratching on the marker?
She scratched on the marker.
Aww.
I like this song.
What song is that?
En el fondo me quiere y por eso me invita. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a boat. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face got me out the blue. So and said,
I don't know her best thing, right?
New York, Atlanta, LA. I think that's your mom.
You see her in the window?
Well, I don't know her best.
Okay. Charlie B. Bundle.